Hello, Muatu Jamir. Apne nga sa Hornbill TV. NPF kun Nagaland laga opposition party ase. NPF legislators kampara olop din agide PDA Alliance Sarkar ke join kuribole announce kurishe. PDA Alliance government Chief Minister ni Puriyo Prabi kurishe ki NPF kan ge welcome kuribo aru ekta Sarkar kuribo koigina public kan ge junaishe. Etu development de BJP kan olop kushi na pabi thakishe. Etu political situation suljabo karne Delhi High Command pra National Spokesperson Nalin Kohli aru kun Nagaland BJP in charge pi ase aru Abe Giri BJP Northeast General Secretary tuijunge Nagaland de photaishe. BJP national leaders kan jakali Nagaland Chief Minister ni Puriyo logo lok paishe aru itu situation karne bi khota kurishe. Aru Sham Choi baje nishina de national leaders kan Nagaland BJP Chief Imna Along pra loigina state BJP leaders aru party workers kan logo de meeting bi kurishe. Aibi itia moi kan Hornbill TV laga ground report sabo.
Welcome to Hornbill TV. 2 दिन आगे दे Nagaland laga largest opposition party and the only opposition party with 25 legislators NPF. Tai khan la leaders khan pra 2 दिन ago de announce kurishe ki tai khan one government hobo karne PDA Alliance government kundu rio pra head kurigena lead kuri ase itu government join kuribo koigena announcement dishe itu announcement pasote Nagaland laga public khan Nagaland laga naga manu khan bishi confused te bui jeshe ki step lo ase ki karini kuri ase to development to kun pi clear cut na jani gena ase manu khan ko ase PDA government bra inferior bra NPF ke welcome krado itu to BJP khan ke bahar de ulai dibo karne ase neki sideline kuri dibo karne ase neki koigena manu khan itu khan bi sawal kuri ase itu humai de BJP khan laga future at stake ase danger de thage ase neki koigena manu bhabna gro humai de aji Delhi bra national leaders Nilin Kohli kun Nagaland in charge as well as national spokesperson ase aro Northeast laga general secretary Abe Giri aji Nagaland te itu situation access kuribo karne itu situation sabo karne aji aigena ase itu moi khota kho homai te itia national leaders khan itia Nagaland laga chief minister ni Puriyo logo meeting jai ase undisclosed location te Nilin Kohli pro loigena itia Nagaland chief minister logo meeting jai ase aru itu meeting howa pasote ekta location te tahi ko busti itu Nagaland laga BJYM youth president Benjamin Yopthomila ghor pra aru itu national leaders khan pra Nagaland state laga BJP leaders aru party workers khan logo closed door meeting jawole ase to closed door meeting te aji ni Puriyo logo te ki meeting jaw parshe ki faisla kuro parshe itu loigena kotha kurobole ase neki koigena itu bi akha kore ase to meeting te ki kobole ase itu to ita tok to kobo na pare holebi Nagaland BJP laga future discuss kurobole ase koigena magan sob itu bishwas ase aru meeting te ki development hobo ki solution ahibo ki resolution pabo itu moi khan meeting hawa pasote national leaders khan logo kotha baji kurigena apni khan ke clear cut ki information pabo moi khan la viewers khan ke ponchabo.
With regard to being a party prabhari, when we come here, I'm having meeting my party president, our deputy chief minister and the BLP, Mr. Patton, our ministers, our MLAs. We have now a party meeting, so it's part of our routine political work. With regard to the political situation, I think we have a stable and a good government here. We are in coalition. Mr. Rio is chief minister. We have a deputy chief minister, ministers. So I don't know in what context is the situation a sort of a question, because I've been receiving also phone calls while I was traveling here.
Sir, so you had a meeting with chief minister. So can you please tell us how did you...
I had the pleasure of calling on the honorable chief minister even on my last visit. When I was in Kohima, I also had called on the honorable governor. This time I'm in Dimapur, and it's a happy coincidence that I could call on the chief minister because he's also in Dimapur for his political work.
So it is said that this development happened only to sideline corner BJP in the government?
Anybody in a democracy is free to arrive at any conclusion or pass any comment. But as far as the Bharatiya Janata Party is concerned, we are in a coalition government with the NDPP. And it's a government that is working in Nagaland very, very well, serving the people of Nagaland. And even when I read today's newspaper, I think it was the Eastern Chronicle, there was nothing that I would read in it that would be a cause of concern or to say that, that it is being to corner and all. This may be an assessment of some columnists and some people.
In Indian Express, it says this was happened only to sideline BJP government.
It's a point of view by somebody. And how would I know who's giving that point of view or anything like that? My stand remains with what I've already said. That the BJP and the NDPP are in a very, very healthy relationship and alliance. We fought the election together. Our senior parties in Delhi, all of them had sat with the state leadership and this was framed. We have ministers in the government. The government is functioning well. The peace talks are there, which is something which the Honorable Prime Minister himself had initiated in terms of the framework. So I think everything is continuing, and my work in terms of this meeting or the series of meetings that I'll have tomorrow with various party leaders, because when I come, it's an opportunity for me to review the situation, for me to hear from my own party members what is the feedback, to share with them ways of how we can together work to strengthen the party at the grassroots. So this is part of our political activity.
Ido NPF kan ke party de ani bole BJP kan ke consultation karna PDA to.
Na ido PDA to bhi BJP bhi ase, PDA de NDPP bhi ase. Na to aji amagan laga national in charge to honorable CM ke log korise. Aro ido kininga bhal bra carry kori kina forward jabo. Ido kotha to hoyi thakibo.
अच्छा सर आपने कहीं कंसल्टेशन करना है ये तो एनपीएफ के वेलकम करो बोले
Honorable Deputy CM aro amagan laga legislators kan ke matisu to takan kotha kora demde Honorable Deputy CM bra koise, which is right. Kile gule amagan to national party ase. Amagan itu laga issue diole oppositionless government thakibo na thakibo ko to national party ase to national high command ko hisabte jabo. Itu kotha koise.
अच्छा सर लास्ट क्वेश्चन एनपीएफ kan ke accommodate করব কারণে যদি কোন আপনি খান কোনবা এমএলএ মিনিস্ট্রাল ব্রেড pro উলাই দিছে গলে আপনি খান কিয়া করব
না itu dole amagan NPF laga bare de ki kobo paribo aro takan ki accommodate koribo nokoribole laga kotha to itu honorable chief minister ase amagan honorable BLP leader ase aro high command ase itu upote jabo. I as the state president and also as a minister I cannot give any comments on that. Thank you very much.
আজি কাৰণে ইমানে আছে তাই কান এতিয়া মিটিং খতম হৈছে তো এতিয়া প্ৰেসিডেন্ট সাহেব কোৱা নিচিনা তাই এতিয়া একো কমেন্টস দিব নাপাৰে কোৱা আছে আৰু তাই কান আৰু হাই লেভেল মিটিং যাবলৈ আছে কৈ কিনা এনেকা জনাই দিয়া আছে